it can be hard to block off focus time during the workday. To help make scheduling dedicated work blocks a bit easier, Google is adding new dedicated focus time entries to Calendar. The focus time entries have a small headphones icon on your calendar and can be given a different color to help separate them from other things on your schedule. If you want, you can set focus time entries to automatically decline meetings that get scheduled during that block, which could help ensure that your focus time stays open and free from pesky meetings. Focus time entries will also appear in your Time Insights panel so you can see how much of your time you're spending in meetings and on focused work. Focus time entries begin rolling out Wednesday to users on the rapid release track, but they won't be available to every calendar user. Google says they're coming to Google Workspace Business Standard, Business Plus, Enterprise Standard, Enterprise Plus, Education Fundamentals, Education Teaching and Learning Upgrade, Education Standard, Education Plus, and Nonprofits customers.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.